I just got my Meatmeet S Pro thermometer today, and I'm going to show you what's in the box.
The first step is to open the package and see what's in there. And here we have the directions. Quick start guide, we're gonna get back to that. But let's see what else is in here. Here we go, looks nice.
One of the things I love best is that this has a built-in rechargeable battery in the block. So you charge the block and you don't have to keep adding batteries all the time. Much better.
The only accessory it comes with is this charger here. And let's check this out.
This thermometer can be submerged in liquid, so you can use it for frying or you can use it in the sous vide. It has a really high temperature, so it's great.
This is something we need to know, that we always need to insert it past this line right here. So there's a line here.
The first thing you got to do is download the app. Next, you're going to charge it so it's ready to go, and then I'm going to show you how to work it. Check out my next video where I use the Meatmeet thermometer to cook this turkey.